Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the manifestation box and the Mother Earth Wrap Club to show you for November. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so again, the November Manifestation Box and Mother Earth Wrap Club by Gogh Jewelry Design just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me both of your subscription boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, right now, she's actually doing a limited time offer, so I wanted to tell you about that in case you were on the fence or you're wanting to order. Now might be the chance if you want to go to a full year prepaid plan. Right now, again, limited time. What they're doing is if you sign up for an entire year, not only are you going to save money on that every single month, but you will get a free healing gemstone and jewelry advent calendar. You guys know I'm an advent calendar hoe. So I was like, oh, that's so neat that she's doing an advent calendar. That advent calendar is a $475 value. You will get that, again, limited time quantity. So if you order now, you will get that entire advent calendar for free for signing up for the year. And there's also a free mystery bonus box. Again, limited time only, so if you want to check it out, they will all be linked down below. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off if you are interested in signing up or purchasing anything from their online shop individually. You can purchase without having a subscription. But let's go ahead and dive in. I'm so excited to see what is going to be in here, to see the monthly crystal, to see what it looks like. I'm so excited. This is one of theirs. I mean, I love wearing the bracelets, if it's the wrap or the regular. Every day I look at the different colors, see what matches, and I grab it. So no matter what, almost every single day I have one of her crystal bracelets on, and I love them, you guys. So this is the box that it comes in, and it says, manifest the life you want to live. Ready to manifest your dreams? Yes, please. When you first open it up, there is a card right on the top, and the card, the stars are forecasting a challenging November. Uh-oh. This is the best time to practice patience. I don't really have a whole lot of that, so I guess I definitely do need to practice. Slow down and focus on yourself. That's awesome. Okay, so with the manifestation box, when you open this one up, you will always have your bracelet, you will have a crystal, and you will have like your forecast for the month for your astrology, which I really, really like that, and it's geared towards you. So it's totally customized to your wrist size and to your zodiac sign, and I absolutely love that. So there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. Let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what we have. I absolutely love even the little papers that she puts in there to tell you what the crystal is. It explains it so well, and I love the little size so you can always keep them as a reference. So let's go ahead and just pull all the paperwork out. So every month you get 2 meditation cards. One of them is for you to keep, and one of them is for you to give to somebody else if you would like. Here is this month's. Look at how pretty. Remember that sometimes not getting what you want is a wonderful stroke of luck. You can't always get what you want, but if you try sometime, you just might find you get what you need. So we're definitely doing patience. Again, I definitely need to learn that one myself. My man's even worse than me, so oh no. So you will have this whole thing that you can go through and read, which will tell us all about patience and different things, you know, for that month, and how we can definitely learn to slow down and get some patience. And then you will have your whole form here, this page, that will go over your specific zodiac sign. So mine is for me, for Scorpio. So I can't wait to sit down and read that and learn about this month for my particular forecast. Then you also have ready to manifest your dreams, and there's some cards in here that goes over some more information and shows you some more of their beautiful jewelry. And then here's another card. It says holiday countdown sale. Complete your gift list yet? Go ahead and get inspired by all of these amazing products that they have. You can definitely get them for you or gift ideas, stocking stuffers, that kind of thing. And it does say receive a large selenite heart with orders $125 or more while supplies last, and that's a $45 their value. Dang, there's all kinds of bonuses going on right now, you guys. Definitely grab some of these deals if you would like. And again, they will all be linked down below. So that would be, again, My Astrology. You have the meditation cards, and then you will have your monthly bracelet, and then there's like a monthly crystal or goodie that's down inside of here. So let's go ahead and get into the bag. Let's see what bracelet we are going to have this month. And oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Is this howlite? I think that's what this one's called. Let me see. Good thing, because they give you these cards. It's howlite. It says howlite, okay? I'm not quite sure what this one here is, but this one down here, all this white and gray, that is definitely howlite. Howlite strengthens memory and stimulates desire for knowledge. I definitely could use this. It teaches patience. Definitely can use this. And helps to eliminate rage, pain, and stress. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. A calming stone. Howlite calms communication, facilitates awareness, and encourages emotional expression. Howlite balances calcium levels in the body. Wow. Okay, and again, you can always keep this little card, and it always has a picture. So if you have any questions and you just have these stacked and you're like, what is that? You can look through all of them, see which matches, and then you'll know which crystal it is and what it does and the benefits and all of that. So I love these cards. And again, look at how gorgeous this is. Let's put it on this one because I already have one there. And so you have like these greenish, beautiful ones right in the front. Again, I'm not quite sure what those are. And then you have all of these amazing, beautiful howlite that could run through the whole back of it. That is gorgeous. I love that. So now down inside of, ooh, okay. So down in here, I wonder if, oh, okay. So maybe, I'm going on a limb here. Maybe, because this is gorgeous. So this is the necklace. I forgot. It's been a few months. It's a necklace and a bracelet, and you have a healing stone in here as well. So this is the necklace, and on here it says African turquoise. So I bet the right here, these right here in the front are African turquoise because they look super, super close. Look at that. They look like they would be exactly the same. So I'm going to say that this right here is the African turquoise that is the same as this. And if that is true, it says turquoise is a purification stone. Its energy is excellent for depression and exhaustion. It also has the power to prevent panic attacks. Turquoise is believed to bring luck and to process powers, including the ability to promote wealth, attract love, and bring happiness. Turquoise encourages us to accept ourselves, scars and all. It can help release regret and find self-acceptance, which is important. Yes, it definitely is. And again, you have it on this nice card that you can save, but that is so pretty. And that's a big stone right there. It's nice and thick, and I love the cut to it. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Okay, so let me hide this. Oh, it broke. Oh, it came out because the little hoochie thing is on this side, the clasp, the hole, and it came out of here. So I'm going to put it in and then pinch it back closed if I can. Okay, so I smashed it back in there to get it closed, and now it's not going to come out. And but that is seriously, that's big. I mean, that's some thickness there. I like that stone. That is so pretty. And I love turquoise. So that is African turquoise, which matches the bracelet. So adorable. And then we have our monthly stone, which is down in here. And it would be this right here. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce this one. I won't try to butcher that one. But it says it is a rare black stone made up of 99% carbon. It consists of nearly all of the minerals on the periodic table. Whoa. Users of this say that the stone has the ability to shield you from EMF, electromagnetic field emissions. Some people put the stone near electronic devices like microwaves and Wi-Fi routers to shield them from EMF. So here it is, and that is exactly what it looks like. And again, you have this card to always go with it, so you always know what it is. So here is the monthly stone for the month. Here is the monthly necklace for the month. And then here is the monthly bracelet for the month. And then again, you have the meditation cards. You have the monthly paper to read for patience, which that's what we're practicing for this month. And then I have my astrology to read as well. And all of that is included in this box. And again, you get to tell them which size of the necklace, what wrist size, and what your zodiac sign is. And then it's tailored to you. It's personalized just for you. I absolutely love that, you guys. So again, that is everything that came in the manifestation box for November. All right, so now let's go ahead and get into the November Mother Earth Wrap Club. I absolutely love both style designs, so I'm so excited when she sends me both to show you. And then let me get this all out of here. Ooh, this month we have some stress reduction essentials. I have this deck already, the same exact deck. So I will save this for one of you guys to enjoy in a future giveaway. But this one says Stress Reductions Essentials, and it's a whole deck. There's a card in here and it says, Tracy, use this pyrite wrap to attract abundance and the cards to help reduce stress in your life. So that is what you're going to, sometimes with the mother wrap, you'll get like some little gift. I've never had like a whole deck in there. That is awesome. But that is really neat. And then you do have the same papers that you can look at. Ooh, look at that one, how beautiful. All those teals and blues. There's all these different colors. So again, they have so many different styles and colors and everything on their site if you want to check them out. Let's go ahead and get the wrap opened. In here, it has, oh, there's howlite on here too. And pyrite. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So there is, let me show you. Oh, let me get these little fuzzies. This is so pretty. It's like a coppery, almost like a brownish coppery kind of color, and it's so sparkly. Look how sparkly that is. So that sparkle, like all of these around here in the wrap, that is the pyrite. And then pyrite is powerful protection stone, which shields and protects against all forms of negative vibrations and or energy. Working on the physical and emotional levels, it stimulates the intellect and enhances memory, helping to recall relevant information when needed. That is so neat. So again, there is pyrite. I have this like in a chunk, you know, like a chunk like that, but I've never seen it in this style. That is so pretty. And then you have one here hanging that is howlite. So you have that energy and protection from this as well, and the pyrite combined. That is an amazing combination. Let me put this one on. And again, that is so pretty. And then there's that. Super, super pretty. And then you have this whole deck that helps with stress relieving with all of the different cards that are in there. So you have a whole deck and you would have this amazing wrap. That is what is in this month for the Mother Wrap for November. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club and the Manifestation Box. Which one did you think was better? Would you have wanted both of them? One or the other? Let me know. But oh my gosh, these are beautiful. These are just absolutely beautiful. She does these all by hand, and I don't know how in the world she does it, but she definitely is doing an amazing job. These are absolutely beautiful. And another tip, if you didn't catch other videos, you can wash with these, you can take showers with them, you can yoga with them, you can do whatever you want to with them. You can just rest assured that they will be fine on your wrist. You can get them wet, you can do anything with them. At first, I was kind of like taking them off when I was washing my hands, and then she said, nope, you can do everything. So I don't ever take them off until I want to take it off at the end of the day. So I do everything with them on. I've had nothing happen to any of them. They're just perfectly fine, and I absolutely love them. So again, that is everything for those two boxes. If you want to get some more information about them, I will let you know right about now. Again, I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, to save you that 20% off their online shop or their subscription boxes. And don't forget, if you do want to splurge and do the whole year, you will get that free advent calendar and a free mystery bonus box while supplies last. The monthly subscription box is for everyone who wants to manifest living happy and was born of the desire to spread positivity and aid conscious living. This is a crystal subscription box, jewelry subscription box, holistic subscription box, inspirational subscription box, and even a self-help subscription box all rolled into one. Ready to manifest your dreams? Select your plan. You can do month per month, which is $39 per month. If you want to go ahead and do a 3-month plan, it'll bring it down to $36. 6-month will bring it down to $34, and a 12-month plan will bring that one down to $33 per month. Each month you have a theme on which you will practice, and again, this month is patience. It will contain a personalized gemstone bracelet, necklace, a healing crystal, 2 meditation cards, again, one for you to keep and one for you to gift, and your astrology forecast for the month. You can also do the Mother Earth Wrap Club. Sorry, that's this one. That one, if you do month per month, it is $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months brings it down to $34, and 12 months brings it down to $33 per month, and you will have the wrap bracelet plus normally one small little gift, but this time they gave us a whole deck for this month. But you can get like a little heart crystal. There's been like a little roller, like essential oils. There's different little things. You do get one little gift in there with that, but the wrap is absolutely gorgeous, and you have all of those crystals all over. Or you can do this one, whichever you would like. They will be linked down below, and again, SheCrafty will save you that 20% off. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.